So in today's class, we shall cover parabola LAQs, and this is the most important LAQ from parabola. 95% sure question. So this is the derivation of the standard equation. So the question is, show that the equation of a parabola in the standard form is y square is equal to 4ax. So first we need to draw the figure. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. This is a parabola. This is x and this is x dash. This is y and this is y dash. The point where the parabola is touching the coordinate axis, that is vertex A. And we take a point P on the parabola and we drop a perpendicular. This is one perpendicular and this is the directrix. And we drop another perpendicular on the directrix. Directrix is given by L is equal to 0. And the point which is intersecting the directrix and x-axis, that is Z. And this is a point S. S is focus. Always focus is denoted by S in parabola. And for standard form, focus is A comma 0. Now we join this point and focus also. And if you see, this distance is x1. This is n. This is m. And this distance is x1. Okay. And from A to S, it is small a. Distance of A and S is small a. And Z and A is also small a. First, you need to draw this figure. Now, after drawing the figure, we will describe the figure. So, whatever I will be writing, you just look at the figure and try to understand. So, let S be the focus. And L is equal to 0 be the directrix of the parabola. Let P be a point on the parabola. Let M comma Z be the projection. Projection means what? Foot of the perpendiculars. It is also foot of the perpendicular of P and S on the directrix. L is equal to 0 respectively. So what does it mean? M is the project. Look at the figure. M is the projection of P and Z is the projection of S. Projection is nothing but image. Okay. Now let N be the projection of P on SZ. Let A be the midpoint of SZ. Since SA is equal to AZ, A lies on the parabola. And let AS is equal to A. Now again look at the figure. Take AS as x-axis. So AS is nothing but the principal axis of parabola. Principal axis means what? A line which divides the parabola in two equal halves. That is the principal axis which is passing through the center of the parabola. So we are taking AS as x-axis and AY perpendicular to SZ as y-axis. Then S is equal to A comma 0 and the parabola is in the standard form. So this is the description. So first we have drawn the figure, then description, and now we start the derivation. So let us say P is equal to x1, y1. Now you look at the figure, PM is equal to NZ, right? And that is equal to AN plus AZ. So AN is x1 and AZ is A. Now because P lies on the parabola, I told you for parabola eccentricity is 1 and eccentricity is given by SP by PM, that is equal to 1. So once again I repeat this statement, P lies on the parabola, then for a parabola eccentricity is 1 and eccentricity formula is SP by PM. So SP is equal to PM. Now if we cross multiply, we get SP is equal to PM. What is SP? SP is the distance between S and P. So S is A comma 0 and P is x1 y1. Now we apply distance formula here. So x1 minus A whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. And if you look at the figure, what is PM? PM is x1 plus A. Understood. Now if you square on both sides, root get cancelled and you get x1 minus A whole square plus y1 minus 0 is y1. So that is y1 square. That is x1 plus A whole square. Now you expand this bracket, A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB plus y1 square, and right hand side also I expand, x1 square plus A square plus 2AX1. x1 square plus A square get cancelled. Now you take minus 2AX1 that side. So we get y1 square is equal to 2AX1 plus 2AX1 is 4AX1. If you want to find out the locus, we should replace x1, y1 with x and y. So the locus of P is y square is equal to 4ax, which is the equation of the parabola in the standard form. Now take the next important LAQ from parabola. Find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and which passes through the 3 points. So first we will write the given points. Given points are A minus 2 comma 1, B 1 comma 2, C minus 1 comma 3. Now what is the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis? Whose axis is parallel to x-axis is x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Let us take this as equation number 1. This is the general form of the parabola when axis is parallel to x-axis. When it is parallel to x-axis, take x on the left hand side. When it is parallel to y-axis, then take y on the left hand side. Okay. Now we will pass equation number 1 through these 3 points. So equation number 1 passes through minus 2 comma 1. So in the place of x you put minus 2 and in the place of y you put 1. So minus 2 is equal to a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c. So you get a plus b plus c is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 1 passes through the second point. Second point is 1 comma 2. So in the place of x you put 1, in the place of y you put 2. So 1 is equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. So you get 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 1. Equation number 3. Now equation number 1 passes through third point. Third point is minus 1 comma 3. So in the place of x you put -1, in the place of y you put 3. So -1 is equal to a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus c. So you get 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to -1. Equation number 4. Now after getting 2, 3 and 4, we will subtract. We'll solve two equations. First let us solve 3 and 2. So we can do 3 minus 2. Same like circles 3 points. Okay, so we do 3 minus 2. So 4a plus 2b plus c equals to 1. A plus b plus c equals to -2. Now you change the signs. Minus, 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 plus. C minus C cancel. 4a minus a is 3a. 2b minus b is plus b. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is equation number 5. Now after completing 3 minus 2, we will do 4 minus 3 now. So fourth equation we will copy as it is. Then below that we will write third equation. 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 1. To cancel c we need to change the signs. C minus c cancel. 9a minus 4a is 5a. 3b minus 2b is b. -1 becomes -2. This is equation number 6. Now we need to solve 5 and 6. So if we solve 5 and 6, in 5th and 6th equations, both we have b. So directly we can copy the both equations. 3a plus b equals to 3 and 5a plus b equals to -2. Now to cancel b, directly we cannot cancel because both are positive. So we change the signs. B minus b get cancelled. 3a minus 5a is -2a. 3 plus 2 is 5. So a is -5/2. We got a value. Now substitute a value in either 5 or 6. So substituting a in equation number 5. So 3 into -5/2 plus b is equal to 3. So -15/2 plus b is equal to 3. b is equal to 15/2 plus 3. That is 15 plus 6/2. 21/2. We got b value. After getting b value, we will substitute a and b in either 2 or 3 or 4. Let us substitute in second equation. So substituting a and b in second equation. So if you just see here, this is second equation. A plus b plus c equals -2. Let us substitute a and b values. A is -5/2. B is 21/2 plus c is -2. Here denominators are same. We add the numerators. So this is 16/2 plus c equals to -2. 2 ones are 2 eights are. C is equal to -2 minus 8, that is -10. Now after getting A, B, C values, we will substitute A, B and C in equation number 1, that is just general equation. So substituting A, B, C in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X is equal to AY square plus BY plus C. Let us substitute here. X is equal to A is -5/2 y square. B is 21/2 y and C is -10. So on the right hand side, if we take LCM, we get -5y square plus 21y minus 20 whole divided by 2. Now if you cross multiply, we get 2x is equal to -5y square plus 21y minus 20. Now we take all right hand side terms to left hand side. So we get 5y square plus 2x minus 21y plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the parabola. Now take the third question. This question is also important. Find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis and which passes through the 3 points. So first let us write the given points. Given points are 4, 5, minus 2, 11, minus 4, 21. Now equation of parabola. Equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is, so when it is parallel to y-axis, we write y on the left hand side. So it will become ax square plus bx plus c. This is equation number 1. Now equation number 1 passes through the first point, that is 4, 5. Now we need to substitute. In the place of x you substitute 4 and in the place of y you substitute 5. So 5 is equal to a into 4 square plus b into 4 plus c. So we get 16a plus 4b plus c is equal to 5. Equation number 2. Now equation number 1 passes through minus 2, 11. So now in the place of x we put minus 2 and in the place of y we put 11. So 11 is equal to a into minus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 plus c. So we get, see, minus 2 whole square is plus 4. So we write 4a plus into minus is minus 2b plus c is equal to 11. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 1 passes through the fourth point. Minus 4, 21. So again in the place of x we put minus 4, in the place of y we put 21. So 21 is equal to a into minus 4 square plus b into minus 4 plus c. So that is 16a minus 4b plus c is equal to 21. This is equation number 4. After substituting all the 3 points, we will do 3 minus 2. So first copy the third equation, 4a minus 2b. You can even do 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2 gives you the same answer. That is equal to 11. And second equation is 16a plus 4b plus c is equal to 5. Now we change the signs. Why we are changing the signs? So that plus c and minus c can be cancelled. So 4a minus 16a is minus 12a. Minus 2b minus 4b is minus 6b. 11 minus 5 is 6. So if I take minus 6 common, or if I take 6 common, we get minus 2a minus b is equal to 1. This is equation number 5. Now we will do 4 minus 3. So write the fourth equation, 16a minus 4b plus c is equal to 21, and third equation is 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 11. Now we subtract. For subtracting we have to change the signs. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. C minus C cancel. 16a minus 4a is 12a. Minus 4b plus 2b is minus 2b is equal to 21 minus 11 is 10. So if you take 2 common, 6a minus b is equal to 5. This is equation number 6. Now after getting fifth and sixth equations, we solve 5 and 6. In fifth equation also you have b, in sixth equation also you have b. So solving 5 and 6. So minus 2a minus b is 1 and 6a minus b is 5. Now again we change the signs because both are minus b. We cannot cancel it if the signs are same. So in order to cancel b, we are changing the signs. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Plus b minus b get cancelled. Minus 2a minus 6a is minus 8a. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Now a is equal to 1 by 2. After getting a value, we substitute a in equation number 5. So minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus b is equal to 1. 2 to cancel. B is equal to minus 1 minus 1. B is equal to minus 2. Now substituting B in equation number 2. So 16 into 1 by 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus C is equal to 5. 2 ones are 2 eights are. So 8 minus 8 plus C is 5. 8 minus 8 becomes 0. So C is equal to 5. Now after getting C value, we substitute A, B and C in equation number 1. So after this, substituting A, B, C in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? Y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So y is equal to a into 1 by 2 whole square plus, one second. A we are substituting, no? So a is 1 by 2 x square plus b is minus 2x plus 5. Now take LCM on the right hand side. So x square minus 4x plus 10 by 2. Now you cross multiply. So you get 2y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 10. We always want x square positive. So we take left hand side to right hand side. So you get x square minus 4x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now take the next LAQ. Show that the equation of common tangent to the circle x square plus y square equals to 2a square and the parabola y square equals to 8ax are y equals plus or minus x plus 2a. So first let us write down given equation of the parabola. Is y square is equal to 8ax. Now what is the equation of tangent? The equation of tangent to the parabola is, if the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, then equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. Okay, but if the equation is y square is equal to 8ax, then equation of tangent will be, see in the place of a you have, in the place of 4a you have 8a. That means a is 2a. So here in the place of a we put 2a. So y is equal to mx plus 2a by m. Did you understand this step? If the parabola is y square equals to 4ax, then equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. But if the parabola is y square equals to 8ax, then tangent will be y is equal to mx plus 2a by m, since a is equal to 2a in this case. Understood? And now what is the given equation of the circle? Circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. So it is in standard form. So center is 0, 0. And radius is root 2a. Square root of the right hand side. Okay, if we compare with x square plus y square is equal to r square, then in the place of r square you get 2a square. So r will become root 2a. Now since equation number 1, let's say this is equation number 1. So since equation number 1 is a tangent to the circle, what is the circle? X square plus y square equals to 2ax, 2a square. So what is the condition for a circle to touch a line or a line to touch a circle? In circles chapter we have done, the condition is r is equal to d. So the condition we got is r is equal to d. And from here we got R value. R is root 2a. But we need to find out D. D is perpendicular distance. Okay. So root 2a is R and D is, now you see what is the line equation? Y equals to mx plus 2a by m. See, y equals to mx plus 2a by m is the line equation. If we take y to the other side, we get mx minus y plus 2a by m is 0. So in the place of a you have m, in the place of b you have minus 1, c is 2a by m. And d is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So we get root 2a is equal to mod a is m and x1 is 0, right? Because center is 0 comma 0. Center is 0 comma 0, that is x1 y1 plus b is minus 1 into 0 and c is 2a by m by root m square plus 1. You understood what did I do over here? In the place of a, b, c, I substituted a as m, b as minus 1 and c as 2a by m. And in the place of x1 and y1, we substituted 0 comma 0. So we get root 2a is equal to mod 2a by m by root over m square plus 1. Now squaring on both sides. What do you get on squaring? So we get 2a square equals to 4a square by m square into m square plus 1. Now a square cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now you cross multiply, m square into m square plus 1 is equal to 2. So if you multiply, we will get m power 4 plus m square minus 2 is 0. So if we factorize this, we get m power 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 is 0. We are splitting the middle term. Now if we take m square common, we get m square plus 2 minus 1 common, m square plus 2 is equal to 0. So m square plus 2 common into m square minus 1 is 0. So m square is equal to minus 2, which means m is root over minus 2, which is a complex number, which is not a real number. Now if we take m square minus 1 is 0, so we get m square is 1 and m is equal to plus or minus 1. Now substituting m in equation number 1. Now we substitute m value in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? Y is equal to mx plus 2a by m. So wherever you have m, you put plus or minus 1. So plus or minus 1 into x plus 2a by plus or minus 1. So that is plus or minus x plus or minus 2a. So if we take plus or minus common, we get x plus 2a. Hence proved. Now take the next question. This is also important. Prove that the area of the triangle inscribed in the parabola y square equals to 4ax is 1 by 8a mod y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1 square units where y1, y2, y3 are the ordinates of its vertices. So first let us draw a figure. See, this is a parabola. This is a straight line. This is a point with which it forms a triangle. This is A, B, and C. So in parametric form, we take the points as 81 square comma 281, 82 square comma 282, 83 square comma 283. So first let us write down given equation of the parabola. Given equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, where a is greater than 0. Let the vertices of triangle are ax1 comma y1, that is equal to at1 square comma 2at1. Bx2 comma y2 is equal to at2 square comma 2at2. And cx3 comma y3 equals to at3 square comma 2at3. Now we have a formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is half mod x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. Now we take these 3 points as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and then we substitute. So now let's see how to substitute it. So that is equal to half mod x1 minus x2. So at1 square minus at2 square. Then we have y1 minus y2. 2at1 minus 2at2. Then we have at1 square minus at3 square. And then 2at1 minus 2at3. So here if I take a common, we get t1 square minus t2 square. And here if we take 2a common, t1 minus t2. And again here if we take a common, t1 square minus t3 square. 2a common, t1 minus t3. So that is half. From the first column we take a common, and from the second column we take 2a common. So we are left over with t1 square minus t2 square, t1 minus t2, t1 square minus t3 square, t1 minus t3. Now this is 2 to cancel. We are left over with a square. Determinant. Now it is in the form a square minus b square. We can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Then t1 minus t2. t1 plus t3 into t1 minus t3. Then t1 minus t3. Now if we take t1 minus t2 common from the first row and t1 minus t3 common from the second row, we will get t1 minus t2 into t1 minus t3, and then we are left over with t1 plus t2 1, t1 plus t3 1. So that is a square into t1 minus t2 into t1 minus t3. And if you cross multiply this, like you expand the determinant, you get t1 plus t2 minus t1 minus t3. So t1 minus t1 get cancelled. So you get a square mod t1 minus t2 into t2 minus t3 into t1 minus t3. So if you take minus common from the third term, we can write it as t1 minus t2 into t2 minus t3 into t3 minus t1. Now after we get this, so here this is once again I write it over here, a square mod t1 minus t2, t2 minus t3 and t3 minus t1. Now, in each term, we want 2a t1, 2a t2, 2a t2, 2a t3 like that. So what I will do is, in each bracket, I multiply and divide with 2a. So here we are dividing by 2a, 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 3 times 2a. So that is 2a whole cube. And here we are multiplying in each term. So 2a t1 minus 2a t1 into 2a t2 minus 283, 283 minus 281. 2 8 3 minus 2 8 1. 2 8 3 minus 2 8 1. 2 8 3 minus 2 8 1. 2 8  3 minus 2 8  1. 2 8  3 minus 2 8  1. 2 8  3 minus 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 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 8 3 minus 2 So this is a square by 2 cube is 8a cube. Mod. Now 281 is y1. This is 2. y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. A square get cancelled. So you get 1 by 8a mod y1 minus y2 into y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. Square units because we are finding area of triangle.